Good morning, fellow vintage Ray-Ban lovers out there. Hope you're well, and today's video is how to remove and replace your lens from a vintage Ray-Ban Clubmaster. So the first thing you'll need is one Clubmaster, and the second thing you will need is one precision screwdriver. So the vintage Ray-Ban Clubmaster looks like this. I'm sure you have seen one before, like so. It has a number of screws, but it is actually quite a simple process to remove one of the lenses. It is only one screw that you would need to remove, and let me show you how that is done. So as you can see, as I turn it round, you have one screw on the underneath of the frame. So if I get in close to the camera, hopefully that will focus, like so. There you go. So there is the screw that you need to loosen, and if we do that, so there you have it, and the lens is out. So as you can see there, that is the bottom of the frame, and yeah, nothing more for me to say really. So to put it back in, you slot it back into the groove like so, hold on to the lens, push that back in like so, hold on to the bottom so that everything is in place, and then just screw it back in, tighten it up, and there you have it. The lens is back in, no problems at all. And that is how you remove and replace a lens from a vintage Ray-Ban Clubmaster. Peace.